Hello traders, this is Marek from Trading Academy. In this video, I would like to share with you how I look at trends because trends for most beginners can really turn upside down their trading from losing to winning. And why? Because it's the most profitable setup you can trade in general on every market. And for me, actually, it also helped me very much. So stay tuned if you want to see how you can improve your profitable trading. I will look at defining trend with price action. This is my personal approach, but some traders can use moving averages and so on. But in our horizon system, so we use only price action. Let's start with general and let's go to concrete specifics and examples. So, what is a trend? Trend is the general direction of a market or an asset's price. In technical analysis, trends are identified by trend lines or price action that highlights when the price is making the higher swing highs and higher swing lows for an uptrend or lower swing lows and lower swing highs for a downtrend. Basically, we can approach trends with different time frames. If you are looking for long-term trend, usually traders use daily, monthly, or weekly charts in this case. And let's go directly to examples. I see now Euro USD, and just from the chart, I can see that from 2002 till 2008, market was in uptrend, and for here I can just use, for example, trend line to define my uptrend here. Since 2008 till now, we are in downtrend from long-term perspective. Okay, let's go to lower time frames. If you look at daily, we still are in downtrend here because market is creating lower highs here and lower lows. It's not actually the let's say the best nice trend, but we are in this kind of channel here, so we can say that market is now in downtrend. Let's switch to another time frame, 1 hour, and you can see that in 1 hour time frame, since 26th of April till 1st May, the market was actually in uptrend. And from, let's say, intraday perspective, also market was now in some consolidation, but maybe market started some downtrend here from intraday perspective just today. Just for example, you can see that you can approach the market with time specifics of defining trend. And actually, it's really up to every trader if he decides to trade long term, middle term, or short term time frames. If market is in uptrend, we usually talk about bullish uptrend, and when market is in downtrend, we talk about bearish trend. This definition came from the way how these animals attack. A bull thrusts its horn up into the air while a bear swipes its paws downward. These actions are metaphors for the movement of a market. If the trend is up, it's a bull market. If the trend is down, it's a bear market. As I mentioned, in uptrend, the market is moving within swings, and swings are characterized. Market is creating higher highs and higher lows. Here, this is higher high, this is higher low, higher high, higher low, and this is higher high. It means that market didn't break this level and still is creating new highs. This is very important to decide if this uptrend is strong or weak, or even if we are in uptrend. If we look on downtrend, it is similar. We are talking about downtrend. Market is creating lower lows and lower highs. Here you can see, as mentioned, we were talking about swings, but different trader has different definition of swing. The most easiest way how to describe swing is only with three candles, and it means that market created his higher high here, and there is also lower high, and this new lower high, which should be ideal, it should be upper than previous lower low. And similarly, it is the same with downtrend. We have these three candles, and market is doing lower high here, this lower low, and second lower high, which is a little bit lower than previous. If we will break the swing, then it means that the structure is broken and the trend is broken, and there are more counter traders against you. Let's go for some examples. Just for example, I would not like to speak more about swing definition here, but you can see that this is swing here. The, it's higher high, it's higher high here maybe also, higher high here, and higher high. And market is always respecting its low. So here we are talking about uptrend, and with trend line you can use it like that here. But here you can see that in the end, market broke this level and the situation has changed. And market is now in strong downtrend, non-volatile downtrend. There are less pullbacks. So here you don't would like to go long because there is not so much power to rise the market again above. And you probably would like to stay away from the position or entering the market or find a different market or maybe try to get short there if you are a trend trader only. Let's go to our example. Here you can see that market is trending up, higher high, but after some higher high here, but then market broke the level here, and there is lower low and lower high here, lower high here, lower low here. So you would like to short it at least here. If you are just using defining trend with this price action structure with swings. And the end up again market broke the level here. Maybe it was false breakout. There is higher probability that consolidation could appear. And as you can see, after breaking this lower high here, and market is not downtrending actually, and it's more sided. So this is the end for this lesson. I would encourage you to go also to our video where I am talking about volatility. There are two parts. It's a very interesting lesson, and also you will learn more about how you can enter the market if it is trending. Because traders usually waiting for some pullbacks which are not likely to happen in some situation, and in some situation they would like to see the straight flip, but it's not good idea to open some position there. If you want to improve your trend line reading, as well go to volatility video. If you would like to see more about us, subscribe us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Do not miss valuable content we provide to you. And meanwhile, I wish you stick with the trend and find a trend more easily.